Hello YouTube! If you watched my last video of vegan in Athens, then you'll remember this dish that I had in Tolo at a cafe called Maria's. The dish is called Imam. It's eggplant stuffed with onions, garlic, and tomatoes, simmered in olive oil. This was one of the freshest and most local dishes I had the whole trip. I've been dreaming about this dish since I got home, so today I'm going to try to make it with you guys, the closest I can to Maria's, but slightly Americanized. Step 1. Cut the eggplant into half-inch round slices, lightly salt it with sea salt, and let it sit for 20 minutes. This is going to pull a lot of the water out of the eggplant and keep it from getting mushy. After 20 minutes, pat the eggplant dry. Coat an oven-proof skillet with sunflower oil and fry the eggplant on each side till it's brown. Then set the eggplant aside and cover it and chop up the onions, garlic, tomatoes, and parsley. Sauté the onions until they start to get a little brown and soft. Then you can add the garlic and continue to sauté till it gets aromatic. Then add the tomatoes, tomato sauce, cinnamon, and red pepper, and simmer till it gets thick, about 5 minutes. Remove some of the sauce and put the eggplants back into the dish. If you thought we were done now, we're not. We're only about halfway. Now cover the eggplants with the remaining sauce. Cover the pan with foil and place it in the oven at 350 degrees to bake for 45 minutes. I don't know how to make the potatoes the way they did at Maria's, so I'm going to make some thinly sliced herbed fried potatoes. I'm seasoning them with oregano, basil, coriander, smoky turmeric, paprika, cracked pepper, and sea salt. Again, I'm using sunflower oil to fry in because it has a high smoke point and it's really good for you. Once the 45 minutes is done and you pull the eggplant out, it still needs to sit for about 10 minutes to cool. So that gives you a little more time to keep frying the potatoes and maybe make one more little thing. Since this dish feels like something that should be made with garlic bread, I decided to make a nice San Francisco sourdough garlic bread. And voila! This is my finished product. Although it wasn't as good as the dish that I had at Maria's, it was still really good, and I feel like this is a great dish to serve to vegans and omnivores alike. Enjoy!